Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new iPhone 18 Pro with these features will mark a turning point in high-end mobile device design. According to rumors circulating among tech experts, Apple is working on a premium version of the iPhone 18 Pro, featuring a transparent case, improved long-lasting battery capacity, and major new upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple is gearing up for the next iPhone lineup, launching in the third quarter of this year. New reports and tech experts claim that Apple is working on a premium version of the iPhone 18 Pro, featuring a new transparent case and a 5200 mAh battery capacity. The increase in battery capacity to 5200 mAh represents a significant leap over previous models. This improvement addresses the historical demand from users for greater battery life. With this feature, the iPhone 18 Pro can extend battery life during intense activities, reducing the need for frequent recharging throughout the day. What will be the changes here? The internal structure will be modified to accommodate a larger battery without compromising the overall design. Improvements in thermal management ensure that the device does not overheat during long periods of operation. Power optimization algorithms will work in conjunction with the hardware to maximize charge duration. Industry analysts believe that this change will make the iPhone 18 Pro a competitive option in the premium smartphone segment. The combination of a larger battery and improved power efficiency could be a significant differentiator. Consumers facing battery life limitations in modern devices will find this solution a practical solution for their everyday needs. If confirmed, the iPhone 18 Pro with these features will mark a turning point in high-end mobile device design. Competitors like Samsung and other manufacturers are closely monitoring Apple's moves in this segment. The Cupertino company's adoption of a transparent chassis could inspire similar trends across the global market. Consumers will finally have access to more diverse visual alternatives, boosting innovation across the smartphone industry. Official confirmation of the project is still pending from the company, so speculation remains open until the official announcement. It is expected that the new iPhone 18 lineup will launch in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.